Uh, so today we have amongst us some of our esteemed clients. We have been providing services to some of our clients since the very beginning and to some for last 2 decades. I'm sure during this long association with us, our clients would have had both good and not so good experiences with us. Today, I would like to request some of our clients to share the experiences with BGJC, and I request them to be candid in their sharing. Their
So do
positive,
we,
uh, their positive views provide us with encouragement to perform better, and their not so positive views provides us with a valuable feedback to improve ourselves. Through our clients, though our clients would have a lot to share, in the interest of time, I will request them to be brief. Uh, Our association with the Bilwada Group is from the very beginning when BGJC was established in 1982. This relationship has spanned over 3 generations, and today we have the honor of having with us Mr. Brit Sharma. May I request you, sir, to share your experience with our firm?
Hi, good evening, everybody. It's absolute pleasure of mine, to be here on this platform, interacting with you and listening to Mr. Somani was really, very good experience. Well, my interaction with you can say the whole team of BGJC has been pretty positive in the last 10 years or so. I have found the team members to be someone, who are always there with the management to help them out, in the areas which go beyond the, you can say, the defined mandate and all. And that's what it counts, whenever value addition is coming in the form of something extra and all. Now, I've been having very positive interaction with the team, with the partners of BGJC, over the years. And I always found, the quality of interaction and the quality of input which I got from the members of BGJC has always been pretty great. I look forward to carrying on this interaction in future also. And though physical interactions have slowed down a bit, but digital interactions is the way forward, and it will continue to bind both of us, in all days to come. Wish you all the best, and wish each and every member of BGJC all the best, and hope this relationship continues and strengthens further. Thank you.
thank you so much, Sharmaji. It's so nice to have you. You're always there whenever we ask, and the first answer is immediate. That really actually motivates us. Fantastic. Thank you so much. हम लोग गड़बड़ करते होंगे, आप बोलना नहीं चाहते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, पर बता दिया करिए कभी कभी तो हम लोग ठीक हो जाएंगे.
Chalegi, as Mr. Somani said, to err is human. If someone is not making a mistake, then he is not a human. So everyone makes mistakes. The thing is, in case we can learn from the mistakes and move forward, it's not like pointing, fingers at anyone and all. It's supporting each other, in the tough time and all. And that's where I find, a lot of value addition coming, from you and your team. In fact,
Thank you.
the interaction, which I have been having with you in the last 3 months or so is probably more than we had, over the last 3 years.
Yeah, that's true.
That means a lot for me.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Salil ji,
Oh,
before I
yes,
leave,
sir. Oh,
before I leave, I want to make a short.
हाँ जरूर जरूर माथुर साहब जरूर. So nice of you to be with us.
Yeah, I can say that it was a very, very inspiring talk given by Sandeep, and it contained so much for the youngsters, to learn. And I wish that this talk is dissected into number of points which at ease our young CA students, and they can learn about it and go deeper into all this. In our times, when I did my CA in 1963, there were no inspirational talks, nobody to guide and nothing. So whatever we could do, we were self-made kind of a thing. He has made some of the very important points, and particularly relating to strategy. There are many points. I don't want to take much time, but I think the CA firms should be now more strategic in approach, strategic in thinking, because regulations, auditing, compliance, these are taken for granted. These are a matter of digitization and things like that. But I think strategic thinking in the CA profession is very much needed, understanding the client's needs and assisting them in identifying strategies and be a part of the top management team. I think that is what is going to be value addition. There are very many points. I will send you my comments on this, but this is a short statement I wanted to make. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mathur Sahab is very Habibi way. I can see what is going to come. It is, thank you for that, Mathur Sahab. Thank
and
you
I
for
want to
joining.
also say to these youngsters that there is always time to learn till end. Today, I'm having a landmark birthday of being 80 years, but still
Today?
I'm learning. It's such a thing.
Kya
So
baat?
what I want to tell them is never stop learning. Every moment provides you wisdom, directions, and how to go about and how to lead, and so on and so forth. So that's my advice. And now I would like to
Thank
leave
you so
the
much. But
session.
it's your birthday. We didn't know. Heartiest congratulations from
Thank you.
BGJC.
Thank you.
क्या बोलूं? आपसे फिर मैं thank you so much.
That's not
Very happy
important.
Couldn't
But
be
what I
have been a
want,
better day. It
yeah.
couldn't have been a better day to have our.
Absolute.
You are one of our esteemed advisors. अरे पता है. Thank you so
But the
much.
message,
Wish you all the very
message
best.
that I wanted to give was this: keep learning,
Yes,
and
that you do.
nobody retires. Nobody retires.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There are a lot of birthday wishes coming from you, for you. Abhay Kumar ji wants to say something. Abhay Kumar ji from Meerut, he is joining us. He is the chairman of Dayal Group. Please go ahead, Abhay ji.
To unmute myself. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Salilji and Pranav, for inviting us. And it was a great pleasure listening to Mr. Sandeep Somani. And most people said, that it was a good talk for youngsters. So I am good 70 years old and been in business for 40 years, but I still found it extremely, extremely inspiring. And as if, Michael Porter was speaking himself.
Wow. He should have heard this.
So talking about BGJC, we have not had a very long association, but it's been a very pleasant association for the last 4 or 5 years. And I'm very happy that we came to know Salilji and Ramesh Gupta, and it has done a lot of good to our business and the way we do business. And so good luck to all of you on your annual day, and God bless.
Thank you so much, Abhay. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure working with you, and we shall continue to do our best as always. Thank you so much, sir. And we'll convey your thoughts also to Mr. Somani.
So we also have, thank you, sir. We also have with us today Mr. Saurabh Mittal, who is the Group CFO of the Eschan Group. So may I request Mr. Mittal to share a few words about his experience with BGJC.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, and congratulations to the firm for its annual day. My apologies, I joined a bit late. There was some seminar with Saurabh Ganguly that was going on prior to this, so we just got with that. But my association with the firm goes back, I think, so almost 10, 11 years or maybe more. Probably 2006-07 when I first met Salilji in the Alaknanda office. And Post that, I mean, we've had several. I mean, we are a client for some of our group companies. We continue to go back to Darshan for some advice or the other every month, and it's great to get a balanced feedback. I mean, both from the industry perspective as well as the as a professional perspective. So you just don't get a particular statutory advice. You get a lot of advice on how to go about things. So that is very pleasant for us. Work with, I think so, a few of you people, not many. I think within the group, Deepikandi, I think so. We met once. Darshan, of course, every now and then. Rahul and Inakshi, I think, and I've met Mr. Bhargav separately on a different occasion. Of course, that's a separate transaction altogether. So only what I can say is, I mean, I'm happy to work with the firm, and I'm sure this relationship will be much stronger going forward, because all I get is a positive vibe whenever I work with the firm. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind words,
Thank you,
Saurabh.
Thank you, Saurabh for excellent sharing. I would now request my colleague Meenakshi to take over the second section of our today's annual day function. Over to you, Meenakshi.
Thank you, Pranav sir. So, good evening, everyone. Now it's time to enter the second segment of this lovely evening, the superbly magical world where the members of BGJC family are going to showcase their talents. Before taking this further, I would like to say thank you to the creative mind who has created this virtual platform where people can meet, people can greet, and stay connected, even if they are sitting so far. During this lockdown, I'm sure we all have discovered new things within us, within the people around us. When the world was fighting a battle with the corona and there was a negativity all around, we thought of starting an e-magazine and named it Mind Brew to keep people motivated and to keep them positive. So, gentlemen, please have a look on the screen for a few glimpses of the creative magazine.
I want to say something quickly. We have been circulating this to all our clients also. I'm sure you've been getting everyone other than alumni, partners and everything. I must say this was mind-boggling the first time when it came. You can keep on showing this. It was unbelievable coming from all the chartered accountants. So chartered accountants can be very creative if they want to be, and that's what BGJC and its team actually presented. It was fantastic. It continues to remain so. And wonderful job was done here.
So, thank you. Taking this further now, I would like to invite Rishank Gupta, a young intern who is on his way to become chartered accountant, who is a great pianist and is all set to make us groove on the beautiful medley of songs. So, frame is yours, Rishank.
Thank you, ma'am, for introducing me. Good evening, all. Today, I am playing a medley for all of you. I hope you all are may like it.
Fantastic, fantastic, Krishank.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Shivam.
I just want to let others also know that he's a fantastic artist also. He paints and draws.
Thank you, Shivam.
Wow,
That was actually beautiful. So,
lovely. अरे वाह, मजा आ गया. It was live, huh?
Okay.
That is fantastic. You could
Thank
get
you,
it
sir. Thank you so
done.
much.
Very well done, yeah. हमको पहले नहीं सुनाया तुमने यार जब हम लाइव मिल रहे थे. Good, यार.
Thank you,
Great
sir.
job. चलिए.
thank you, Rishank.
Thank you, ma'am.
A lot is coming
Now-
on the chat, so you can read it later.
Yes, sure.
So, taking this forward now, people say words express our feelings. The poems are an apt expression of our emotions. Shivam Gupta, a bright and talented colleague of mine, will take us on an emotional journey. Let us give him a virtual applause. Shivam, over to you.
थैंक यू मीनाक्षी. सभी को नमस्कार. मैं आशा करता हूं कि मेरी आवाज साफ है और सब कुछ नहीं दे रही है. आज मैं आप सभी को एक छोटे से सफर पर ले जाना चाहूंगा. आशा करता हूं कि इस सफर के द्वारा मैं आपकी कुछ यादें जरूर ताजा कर पाऊं और एक छोटी सी मुस्कान आपके चेहरे पर जरूर डाल पाऊं. किसी ने बहुत खूब कहा है कि भगवान इस धरती पर हर जगह मौजूद नहीं हो सकता, इसीलिए उसने इस धरती पर माँ को भेजा. एक बार की बात है कि एक बार दुकानदार अपने घर लौटता है तो उसके बच्चे उसकी ओर भागते आते हैं और उससे पूछते हैं कि पिताजी पिताजी आज आप हमारे लिए क्या लाए। उसके बाद उस इंसान की बीवी आती है और उससे बीवी उससे पूछती है कि आज कितनी कमाई हुई। फिर उसके पिताजी आते हैं और पिताजी पूछते हैं कि बेटा आज कितनी बचत करी। और फिर उसकी माँ आती है और माँ पूछती है कि बेटा तूने आज ढंग से कुछ खाया ना। बहुत सही कहा है किसी ने कि माँ का औदा ही कुछ ऐसा होता है, कठोर से कठोर आदमी भी उसका दिल पिघल जाता है। इंसान अगर खुशी में होता है, सुख में होता है, तो हर उस इंसान को याद करता है जो उसके आसपास होता है, जिसे वो जानता है। लेकिन जब वो डर में होता है, जब वो दर्द में होता है, तो उसकी जुबान से सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही शख्स का नाम निकलता है, जो है माँ। माँ और माँ। इंसान की अगर शरीर टूट जाए, हड्डियां टूट जाए, तो उसके लिए एक से एक डॉक्टर है इस दुनिया में। लेकिन उसका मन टूट जाए तो सबसे पहले जिस डॉक्टर के पास वो भागता है वो है माँ। तो इसी डॉक्टर पर इसी इंसान पर मैंने एक छोटी सी कविता लिखी है। आशा करता हूँ आप सबको पसंद आएगी। गौर फरमाइएगा कि मेरी माँ कहा करती है, बेटा तुझे नजर कुछ ज्यादा ही लगा करती है। कलेजे से अपने वो मुझे लगाए रखती है और दूर जाने के नाम से घबराया करती है। मेरी माँ मुझे कहा करती है, बेटा तुझे नजर कुछ ज्यादा ही लगा करती है। उदासी में मेरे चाहे कितनी भी मायूस हो, लेकिन सिर्फ इस चेहरे पर मुस्कान लगाने में जुट जाया करती है। मेरी माँ मुझे कहा करती है, बेटा तुझे नजर कुछ ज्यादा ही लगा करती है। खुद चाहे कितना ही डांट ले मुझे, लेकिन बाबूजी के डांटने पर मुझे सीधा अपने पल्लों में छुपा लिया करती है। मेरी माँ मुझे कहा करती है कि बेटा तुझे नजर कुछ ज्यादा ही लगा करती है। सब तारीफ किया करते हैं मेरी, सब तारीफ किया करते हैं मेरी, और वो पगली चुपचाप चोरी से मेरे कान के पीछे काला टीका लगा दिया करती है। मेरी माँ मुझे कहा करती है, बेटा तुझे नजर कुछ ज्यादा ही लगा कि उसके प्यार के कर्ज उतारने की औकात नहीं मेरी। दहलीज के बाहर कदम क्या रखता हूँ, वो पगली आंसू बहाया करती है। मेरी माँ मुझे कहा करती है, बेटा तुझे नजर कुछ ज्यादा ही लगा। सच धज कर जब मैं तैयार हो जाता हूँ तो वो पगली मुझसे ही नजरें चुराया करती है और हर बार 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 बस यही कहा करती है कि बेटा तुझे तो मेरी ही नजर लग जाया करती है। मेरी माँ कहा करती है, बेटा तुझे नजर कुछ ज्यादा ही लगा करती है। शुक्रिया।
Excellent, Shivam. Excellent.
Excellent,
Thank you.
Shivam.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shivam. Actually, his poem must have touched a chord in your heart. Seriously, mothers have no parlors. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shubham Sharma, another cheerful article of our firm, who is going to entertain us with his singing skill. Shubham, the frame is yours.
आदरणीय अतिथिगण एवं BDJC के परिवार के सभी सदस्यों को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। आप सभी को मेरी ओर से BDJC के 38वें वार्षिक उत्सव की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। और इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं आपको एक गीत सुनाना चाहूंगा। फिल्म शोर से एक प्यार का नगमा है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। ला 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 ला। कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है। दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है। दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। तू धार है नदिया की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ। तू मेरा सहारा है, मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ। आँखों में समंदर है, आशाओं का पानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। ला 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 ला, रू 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 रू। तूफान को आना है, आकर चले जाना है। बादल है ये कुछ पल का, छाकर ढल जाना है। ऊपर छाइयां रह जाती, परछाइयां रह जाती, रह जाती निशानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। तेरी मेरी कहानी है, हो तेरी मेरी कहानी है। धन्यवाद।
वाह, क्या बात है शुभम,
बहुत बढ़िया।
लवली है।
थैंक यू सर।
एक्सीलेंट यार। शिवम मेरा ये म्यूट पे था, मेरे तुमको कह ही नहीं पाया यार। क्या बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत ही खूबसूरत।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू,
बहुत ही खूबसूरत,
थैंक यू सो मच,
लवली।
थैंक यू।
तो who's next?
Thank you, Shubham. That was actually wonderful. Actually, we are almost at the end of this evening, but before we say goodnight, energetic colleague of mine for a power-packed singing performance. So let's welcome Mr. Mohit Agrawal.
Yeah, thank you, Meenakshi, for introducing me. And good evening, everyone. And today I'm here presenting a medley song, and I hope everyone will enjoy it. Soniyo, ओ सोनियो, तुम्हें देखता हूँ तो सोचता हूँ बस यही, तुम जो मेरा साथ दो, सारे गम भुला दूं जिलू मुस्कुरा के जिंदगी, तू दे दे मेरा साथ, थाम ले हाथ, चाहे जो भी हो बात, तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ, तू दे दे मेरा साथ, थाम ले हाथ, चाहे जो भी हो बात, तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ। राहों में तन्हा हूँ, साथ ले चल यूं, संग तेरे सफर पूरा करूं, राहों में तन्हा हूँ, साथ ले चल यूं, संग तेरे सफर पूरा करूं, क्या कहूँ ऐ जिंदगी, तू है मेरी सांस, रहना तू पास हर घड़ी, तू दे दे मेरा साथ, थाम ले हाथ, चाहे जो भी हो बात, तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ, तू बस दे दे मेरा साथ। बरसात भी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए, पर उसकी एक झलक तो हम ए हुस्न के मालिक तरस गए, अब 8 पहर इन आंखों में वो चंचल मुखड़ा रहता है, मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है।
Excellent.
क्षमा कहे परवाने से परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा, यहाँ नहीं आ, वो नहीं सुनता उसको जल जाना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है, प्यार दीवाना होता है मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। एवरीबॉडी प्लीज ज्वाइन, प्यार दीवाना होता है मस्ताना होता है, हर खुशी से हर गम से बेगाना होता है। Thank you, everyone.
Fantastic, Mohit.
I will request Ramesh to bless everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Ramesh, you are there? Hello.
Yeah, I am here.
अरे यार, इतना your words are very important.
No, I think it's congratulations to everyone on the 38th annual day. And I feel really delighted that the farm is growing well. The tree we had planted is growing well. I request everyone to keep it up and take it to the new heights. So we'll feel more proud of it, that the new team has taken it to the new heights. So all the best to everyone. Keep growing. Thank you.
Thank you, Gupta ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Darshan Chhajar for proposing the vote of thanks. So, sir, please.
After this mesmerizing evening, it's been lovely, not only from hearing right from Mr. Somani to all the clients giving their feedbacks and all this cultural evening that we had. Thank you very much. I sincerely like to thank Salilji and Gupta ji for giving us the start, and the whole team with the guidance of Sushmita ji, we have been able to do all this. Thank you everybody for joining. It was a lovely evening, and cheers to all. Thank you so much.
Great job, guys. You did a
Thank you,
wonderful
sir.
job here, beyond expectations. मेरे
Absolutely.
ख्याल से Mr. Somani, it seemed, didn't want to go यार.
Yeah.
What else यार? इससे बड़ा मेरे को लगता है कि आपको इससे बड़ा compliment मिल ही नहीं सकता सबको.
Yes, yes,
Fantastic. Very well done.